Okay, today, everyone, we're going to be learning about slimes. How I have here is a purple slime. That is really sticky, and my mom's kind of helping me with it, but I barely know how to roll slimes because I'm almost like the ruler of slimes. Because some slimes are sticky, some slimes are not. Did you know that? That is actually true. And did you know I'm filming a video of this? And I think we're going to put it on YouTube, but I don't even know. Because this is all true stuff about slime. As you can see here, the color is sparkly purple. My favorite color is purple. I love sparkles. And I can make a happy face. Or a frowny face. With it. That's a frowny face. See that? It's a frowny face. Then this is a happy face. You see that? Happy face for me. Happy face for you. So, what other things would we build? I think there's a little bit more slime in the jar. I think there. Oh yeah, there was. Take all the slime out of the jar. Okay. First thing you'll do is spread out your slime. Big and wide. It'll be like this size when you're done. Then you try this, and you'll make a big bubble. See that? You see the big bubble? See the big bubble? See, and you'll make a big bubble. You can use your finger to make a hole. And then it'll probably patch up. You do this. Still patch up, so just take a piece of it. And then it pops like that. And try to get off the table fast if it's a sticky slime. So like this one, it's a sticky slime. So fast forwarding. Hello. Okay. Look how long this slime can go. There's my happy face. Going down, 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 down. Then my mom caught it, so that's okay. And I don't know if I can show it my dog Calvin. He's sleeping over there, and he is kind of a lazy dog because his name is Calvin. Okay, so you'll take any horse. Any toy that's made out of plastic, that's a toy. Okay? Just set it aside, and you'll take your slime, and you'll flat it so much. Then you'll take that horse, you'll put it in the slime, and you'll put it down. You'll make it running. Is that cool? That looks like little monster trucks in it. Want to make the bubble again? Okay. So you'll do this. See it's stretching kind of? It's super big. You do this. And there's your bubble. mine's really small now. Since I didn't do the air heart. Okay, see if I can make a bigger one this time. So first you make kind of like a diaper, and it turns into something that you can make a bubble into. See, that's kind of widening. Okay, until it gets super wide. You grab the air, and you make a bubble. Well, it kind of gets hard. You need hard work to make a bubble. I practiced how to make a bubble. I tried and tried to make a bubble every time my mom bought me slime. Go and say hi. Go and say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Just say hi. Okay, my mom didn't say hi because I was trying to get her to say hi, but she's just not saying hi. And I'm going to see if I could grab a boot so I could show you one. They're really pretty and sparkly, just like the slime. See, like it? See, look at those sparkles on it. And then I'll take off my shoes. I'll take off my boots. And then we'll go back to the slime. Just stretch it out. Okay. Flat it wherever you already stretched. Take one line right at the end. Put one on one side. Then you take that horse. Yeah, put him at one side. Get him getting up. And then pretend he won. See? I got this cool stuff tomorrow morning. So, check out Texana'ns Magic, and then you will see my video. And this one, if you want, it's called the Slime Magic Texana video. So go to the Slime Magic Texana video. It'll be a pro. So, bye. And my name is Texana. Texana. And then Texana. Texana'Tennis. Okay? My mom is Chanel. Chanel Tennyson. Tenn. Okay. My dad is Richard, as you can believe. And then, what's his last name? Tennyson. And I have a grandma named Catherine, and her is also Tennyson, and a papa named Jack, and she's also Tennyson. So everyone is Tennyson, and my toys is also last name is Tennyson. So everyone's last name is Tennyson in my family. So bye.